Let's start with the main tool. I call all these options and all this tool main tool, the basic and really the main original, I can say also. And they are super powerful in creating dogs and in any everywhere, okay, in any applications. And so right now in Google Docs, we have to learn them and how to manage them in order to create a nice, really perfect document. So right now you can see I have a title in here or a heading. And as you can see right now, it's a heading. And I have a paragraph, not a paragraph, 5 paragraph in here of lorem ipsum. So it's a random text, okay? So don't get into it. All right. So the first option is we're going to start from here and then we're going to continue our journey and we're going to finish all of them so you will understand them better in a way you can manage that. Okay, so first thing is how you can undo and redo some text in your Google Docs. For example, sometimes it happens that you somehow write something. Okay, for example, I come in here and accidentally I press backspace and I don't want to. I really am really shy. I'm really upset why I did it, okay, why I backspaced, okay. It happened without my decision, so I made a mistake. How can I solve it? We're gonna use do, undo, and redo. These option is helping us for doing and run and undoing options. For example, I did backspace that. Right now I want to have it back, so there you go, I go with backspace. Now it happens also, uh you change your idea, okay, you say, well, let's redo it, okay, the backspace was correct, so you hit redo. Okay, that's it. Now their shortcut is Control Z, Command Z, and this was Control Y, Control Z, and you're gonna see it right now. Okay, I'm doing it using shortcuts right now, and you're gonna see also Control Z. Okay, this is Control Z and Control Y, so these are very easy, you can do that. So that's about the do and undo. As well, you can undo, redo from here. No, you can only redo and undo from here, okay. And the good thing is it'll be saved to the history of your file, and then you can see all about it in your version history. So you can come up in here and you can see version history, see version history, and right now you can see where I did all the undo and redo. Okay, you can see right over here right now. Okay, so that was undo and redo. See you in more lectures.